And Jesus said, "Come forth, Lazarus, arise from the dead." These students must think I'm Jesus. Can you help us, Eddie? We've got an injured bird. It's got fucking rigor mortis.
On. Right, this bird. any other time in the world, part of his family is being cooked at, de-skinned, de-breasted. This one is
Had a good life, flying free.
Oh, let me. It was flying. Now it's dying and dead. We're gonna put it to bed. It never ever wet itself or was dirty in the back door, but we're gonna soil it. We feel we need to whoop whoop. Give it its wings. It's now got its proper wings. God help you. The International Space Station looks down on you. Please let this marriage in the other side of life go to where everyone else will eventually go.
Birdie heaven.
Dirty heaven.
Birdie heaven.
Aye,
Birdie heaven.
he's winging it, right? So, please be normal upstairs. I'll be there someday. I'm not barking. Yeah, you can.
There you go, and you can scatter it. There you go, lads. Nice one.
Nice
there you go.
message, but just don't video me.
Yeah, well, I'm not videoing anyone.
This bird never harmed a soul. It didn't do anything.
And it didn't sign on the tool. Never took money from the government.
Exactly.
Don't be thinking about again. If it's a little bit again, yes, and if it's a see what they got again, the base. Repshire, Rep, Mashi, if you don't believe what that.